Guys, welcome to this new video. In this video we will be looking at Samsung Diagnostics, which is a Samsung integral part of Android 12 from many devices. So now we go in device and care, and we can see there's a diagnostics tab, and we can click the diagnostics and we can do the diagnostics of the connected devices also, for example watch or the buds. So we now go phone diagnostics and we will check that how it's working. So there are a lot of modules available for checking. So when I click on test all, it goes one by one and it's very quick, and it checks all the internal software as well as the hardware part of the phone, that it's working properly or not. So this is a phone diagnostics we can do by just going into settings, and it's not that advanced. But if you want to see many other stuff regarding diagnostics, we go to dial and just type the star has 0 star has, and we reach to a different menu. So we can check the colors of the RGB screen. So we can also check the sensors, we can also check the phone camera, we can also check the vibrator motor, we can also check many other stuff. So it is an advanced diagnostics tool that we can use in Samsung devices. So it's only work in Samsung devices. This code will not work in every device. So if you are using another device, then you have to search, or you just pin down in the comment. I will give all the codes for all devices. Watching YouTube with ads, it is very frustrating. So we can watch live YouTube without ads. So we just go to play any video, we just click on share, and we just click on VLC media player. So when we click on VLC media player, it will take a little bit of time, but it will open the VLC media player, and the YouTube video which we are viewing will be shown in the VLC media player, so without the ads. So it is the good stuff. If you are watching a movie or something, or a long video, then the VLC is quite good for this without ads. And we also have a lot of customizations, options to work on, like volume, brightness, subtitles, and all the stuff which we are having on YouTube we can control via VLC player. So it is a good player to try if you want to see your YouTube videos ad free. It is available on Google Play Store, so just go and type VLC for Android and it will come. The last part of the video we will be looking at is a Wi-Fi diagnostics. So the thing is an app which we can use to diagnose our Wi-Fi which we are connected on. So first we have to give the permissions and everything of the router and of the phone also, and we just run this kind of diagnostics, and it will connect to our Wi-Fi router, and it will show that which are the devices which are connected with the Wi-Fi router, and we can see the IP addresses and the names of the phone devices. So for example, I have connected my 7 devices with Wi-Fi router, so I can click on any of that and we can see the timeline. We can also remove, we can also ping, we can also trace the root of the device, and we can also check the IP addresses of the devices too. So if you are using the Android Wi-Fi like cached Wi-Fi router and many others in one Wi-Fi router, then if you are fear having that someone connect and misuse the Wi-Fi router, then we can remove the device. We can also edit the location of the device. So for example, my location is Munich, so it's now set on the Munich, but we can edit that also manually. And we can go on security, and in security we can see that it provides a lot of details. It does not have sufficient access point or many other stuff. We can also check the internet speed by the app, so we does not have to download like speed test or fast.com or any other apps. We can check the speed, upload and download. So it is a good application to have in a day-to-day life if you care about your Wi-Fi, and if you want someone does not want you to connect to the Wi-Fi router. So it is a good feature to have. If you have the advanced version, it is good feature. If you like the video, please do share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you next time.